Earth isn't just a rock floating through space, it's a sculptor with billions of years of practice. Across the globe, natural forces have carved, shaped, and twisted our planet's landscapes into stunning, otherworldly formations that boggle the mind and defy expectations. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through 10 of the strangest geological wonders Earth has to offer. So sit back, hit that like button, and prepare to be amazed by the bizarre beauty of our planet's natural creations. Now, let's dive into the countdown of the top 10 most bizarre geological wonders on Earth. Number 10. Concretions. Imagine finding a nearly perfect sphere on a beach. Concretions are nature's take on stone pearls, forming when minerals in water bind sediment around a core. Over thousands, even millions, of years, this mineral-rich mix hardens, creating shapes so precise they've sparked legends and inspired wild theories. The Moeraki boulders of New Zealand are a perfect example. Some of these smooth, round stones reach up to 7 feet in diameter and weigh several tons. Early settlers thought they were petrified eel baskets or dinosaur eggs, but they're actually ancient artifacts of geological processes, revealing the environment's conditions from eons ago. Some of these concretions hide beautiful mineral patterns or fossils inside, making them literal geological time capsules. Number 9. Basalt pillars. When molten rock cools just right, it can form something truly magical: basalt pillars. Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is home to about 40,000 hexagonal columns, looking like a perfectly arranged stone pathway leading into the sea. It's so symmetrical that it inspired local legends about the giant Finn McCool building a bridge to Scotland. But there's no need for myths here. Science offers an explanation. Rapid cooling of thick lava flows causes it to contract and crack in geometric shapes, a natural phenomenon known as columnar jointing. Across the Atlantic, Devil's Tower in Wyoming stands like a lone, towering monolith, a volcanic plug, or hardened magma core, left standing after softer rock around it eroded over millions of years. This natural masterpiece has inspired countless myths, but its origin story is all about cooling magma and the relentless forces of erosion. Number 8. The Eye of the Sahara. From space, it's impossible to miss the Eye of the Sahara, an enormous geologic structure in Mauritania measuring 25 miles across. Known as the Richat structure, it appears as a series of concentric rings etched into the desert. While it was once believed to be the site of a meteor impact, researchers now know it's an eroded geologic dome, formed by the uplifting of layers of rock over millions of years. The result is a bullseye effect, revealing different layers of Earth's crust. Though some conspiracy theorists like to connect it with the lost city of Atlantis, the true story is just as captivating: a slow, persistent battle between stone, wind, and time. Number 7. Fairy Chimneys of Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia, Turkey, is a place where natural forces and human ingenuity come together. Over millennia, wind and rain eroded soft volcanic ash layers, known as tuff, into towering spires called fairy chimneys. But humans didn't stop there. They carved homes, churches, and even underground cities into these rock formations, creating a network of dwellings that still awe visitors today. Imagine living inside a rock tower that has stood for centuries, proof of how people adapt to even the most surreal landscape. Number 6. The Wave, Arizona. Arizona's wave looks like a sandstone sculpture frozen in motion. Millions of years of wind and rain etched out its undulating patterns from ancient Navajo sandstone, creating a stunning, almost fluid-like effect. Access to the wave is strictly limited to preserve this fragile formation, with only a few permits issued daily. For those lucky enough to step inside, it feels like walking through a dreamscape where time stands still, a delicate reminder that even nature's masterpieces need protecting. Number 5. Devil's Marbles, Australia. Deep in Australia's outback, the Devil's Marbles, or Karlu Karlu, as the local Warramungu people call them, lie scattered across the landscape. These massive granite boulders, some precariously balanced, are the result of millions of years of weathering and erosion. Heat, water, and time slowly broke down the granite, leaving behind these remarkable formations. To the Warramungu, they are sacred symbols tied to stories from their dream time, a living testament to the power of nature and the richness of human culture intertwined. Number 4. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Bohol's Chocolate Hills in the Philippines are a surreal sight. Over 1,200 conical hills stretch across the island, turning brown during the dry season to give them their chocolate name. These limestone formations are believed to have formed from coral deposits uplifted by geological forces and then weathered by rain. While their precise, symmetrical shapes remain somewhat mysterious, they remind us of nature's penchant for playful beauty on a massive scale. Number 3. Giant Crystals of Nika Cave, Mexico. In the Nika Cave in Mexico, crystals the size of skyscrapers lie hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface. This extreme environment, with temperatures reaching 136 degrees Fahrenheit and nearly 100% humidity, allowed gypsum crystals to grow undisturbed for hundreds of thousands of years. Some of these crystals stretch over 30 feet long, forming a breathtaking natural wonder. But stepping into this crystal palace is no easy task. It's a battle against the heat and conditions that make even short visits a challenge. Number 2. Sailing Stones of Death Valley, California. In Death Valley, California, heavy rocks seem to move on their own, leaving trails etched into the dry lakebed of Racetrack Playa. This mysterious phenomenon puzzled scientists for decades. Finally, in 2014, researchers discovered the secret. Thin sheets of ice form around the rocks on rare freezing night. When the ice melts and wind blows, the rocks slide slowly, leaving trails behind, a silent, glacial waltz of rock, ice, and wind. Number 1. Rainbow Mountains of Zhangye Danxia, China. Zhangye Danxia's Rainbow Mountains in China look almost too vivid to be real, but these multicolored stripes are the result of mineral-rich sandstone oxidizing over millions of years. The layers of red, orange, yellow, and green formed through geological processes involving deposits of minerals and tectonic activity. Wind, rain, and erosion then shaped the landscape, creating one of nature's most stunning geological canvases. Earth's story is written in stone, shaped by forces we can barely comprehend. These geological wonders remind us that sometimes the most bizarre creations aren't hidden, they're right beneath our feet. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Let us know what topic you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 10 bizarre geological features created by nature. Which was your favorite? Do you know of any strange geological formations that didn't make it to this list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more incredible countdown. We'll see you next time.